Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into a step-by-step blueprint to build wealth. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to enhance your current strategies, these 10 principles will guide you towards financial success. Let's get started. Principle 1. Set clear financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is the foundation of building wealth. Define specific, measurable goals such as saving for retirement, buying a home, or starting a business. Having a clear target will give you direction and motivation to take action. Principle 2. Create a budget and stick to it. Budgeting is essential for managing your finances effectively. Track your income and expenses, prioritize savings and investments, and avoid unnecessary spending. Remember, every dollar counts towards your wealth-building journey. Principle 3. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself through education, skill development, and personal growth is crucial for long-term success. Continuously improve your knowledge and abilities to increase your earning potential and seize new opportunities. Principle 4. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Diversify your income streams by exploring side hustles, investments, or passive income opportunities. Multiple streams of income provide stability and growth potential. Principle 5. Live below your means. Living below your means is a key principle of wealth building. Avoid unnecessary debt, prioritize saving and investing over material possessions, and practice frugality. Building wealth is about accumulating assets, not liabilities. Principle 6. Manage risk wisely. Understanding and managing risk is essential in wealth building. Diversify your investment portfolio, have an emergency fund for unexpected expenses, and protect your assets with insurance. Smart risk management safeguards your financial future. Principle 7. Think long-term. Successful wealth building requires a long-term perspective. Focus on your goals, be patient with your investments, and avoid emotional decision-making. Compounding growth over time is a powerful wealth-building tool. Principle 8. Network and build relationships. Networking and building relationships can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals, mentors, and experts who can support and guide you on your wealth-building journey. Principle 9. Give back and practice gratitude. Generosity and gratitude are important aspects of building wealth. Give back to your community, support causes you care about, and practice gratitude for what you have. Sharing your wealth can bring fulfillment and create a positive impact. Principle 10. Review and adjust your plan regularly. Finally, regularly review and adjust your financial plan to stay on track towards your goals. Monitor your progress, reassess your strategies, and adapt to changing circumstances. Flexibility and adaptability are key to long-term wealth-building success. Thank you for joining us on this journey to build wealth with these 10 principles. Remember, wealth building is a process that requires dedication, discipline, and continuous learning. Start implementing these principles today and watch your financial future transform. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. See you next time.